Easily denied because that was the time na yung SAF, big deal, and Noy was being hit left and right. But she spoke up for him. Kaya sabi ko, ay, matapang tong girl na to. Diba? Yung ano, hindi nang iiwan, hindi nagde-deny. Kaya, good for her. Bongga.
And you said nga if you like her before family.
Oo naman, pero I don't think she liked Noy. Hindi naman. No, you know why? Hindi naman sa I don't think I think she entertained him and ano, but the thing is, you can tell from her character single-minded. So kailangan, ito ang focus ko muna. Na, grabe naman, di ba nangalahati yung katawan? Talagang, at yung lahat ng training na pinagdaanan. Oh, pero di ba pinadala ng flowers bago umalis?
At nag-greet kanina, Malacanang, di ba?
Gusto ko nga alamin ko ng text eh.